Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can set an end date or a deadline for a task in GanttPro, in your GanttPro project. So let us dive into this. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to GanttPro, log into your contact pros, click into all projects here to the left and select your project here. So what you want to do next is navigate to your view. Let me go with the board view for the demonstration purposes for that project. Select your task by clicking into it. Here to the right you will see that customization window. So you will see the start date as well as the end date. And you will see also that section here, deadline. So it's not basically the same, guys. There's a slight difference between a deadline and an end date, but I personally treat both of them the same way. So you can adjust both and customize both. Here the end date by simply clicking into that calendar button, and let me set the end date for Christmas Eve, for example. And you can also click in, or you may click into that hour button here, and let's say I would like to be done with that task 12 in the noon. And after that, do the same for deadline. Click into it and enable it. And that is going to set your end date also as a deadline. And that's it. You may disable the deadline as well. And that's it, guys. Let me close that customization window. That's how you do it. You will see the end date here to the left. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.